All right, this time I've checked that it is actually the seat that's arrived, and I've also been rummaging around in my box of plumbing parts just to see what I've got, because I want to start on the pipework next. So I've got all sorts of bits in here. These are the blue globes, check valves. All of the stuff is either 1/2 inch or 6mm beam, so I'm sort of working in 1/2 imperial, 1/2 metric. The high pressure stuff is 6mm, so I use these Swage Lock 6mm 300 bar pipe fittings. I've got all sorts of bits, but I haven't got typically all the parts I need. I need some valves, adapters, there's quite a lot, lots of bits and bobs in here, but not the pieces I need. You've got to get all the parts ordered. I thought this chair was quite good because it's light, and it'll be easy to modify these so this piece folds all the way back, and it's kind of universal mount. You can just sort of mount it however you like. I'm not 100% sure that I will use this exact one, but I don't see why not, to be honest. It seems okay. Right, so today's job is actually I've just got to get this paintwork finished. I just wanted to have a quick test of this, but not really any point, but just to see. And just to see, I want to just see if I'm going to put a deck in. So it's the first time it's in there. I'm not even 100% sure this is going to be the final seat. It's just one that I got and I thought it looked all right. Oh, I'm just going to have to get on with the painting. There's no two ways about it. Get the painting done. I'd like to get these skids off, because when I took it for blasting I'd forgotten to take them off, so he just blasted around them, and he said he did manage to get under it, and it looks like he's managed to get under, but I'm not sure about the paint, so I want to take them off and just see where we are with it. Right, I got all those off. There's no way that I'll put these back on, they're all knackered. The paint's really thick and gloopy, so it sort of glues them on. Anyway, that now, once I've done my initial paint, I can just whip those skids off and paint underneath them. And I need to tidy the skids up because I've got paint all over them. So I've got to do the hatch now. This is a little bit more awkward, as I've got to be very careful not to get too much paint in here, into this groove, because I did that on Jodie B and I had to have it grit blasted out. So I'm going to be very stingy on the paint in the groove. Right, that's the worst of it done. I just want to get these skids off, see if I can get under there. Actually, I'm not going to do this today because everything's wet, stinks. I'm going to get some better props so I can hold it up there and at the other end, I think. Or prop it up, brick it up here somehow. Brick it up at the front once it's dry, and then I can get these off just to get under there. It's getting a bit late now. I've got paint in my eye.